Starting around 20 September 2023, torrential slide generally is exchanging at $8.98 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.52% in most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely critical. Avax really has an exceptionally complete market cap of $3,180,212,856, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $131,602,814, which for the most part is genuinely critical. This explicitly makes torrential slide Avax positioning at 23 in the digital currency market in a significant way. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023. What will torrential slide sort of be somewhat worth in 2023? Is torrential slide an especially wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in a genuinely huge manner? Will Avax value sort of outperform its untouched high? Certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. These by and large are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, which is very huge. Torrential slide Avax value expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost basically is supposed to in every way that really matters, cross a fundamentally normal value level of $14.49, the normal genuinely least value worth of torrential slide, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to generally be $13.85. The torrential slide value worth can arrive at a limit of $13.77, with the very normal exchanging worth of $13.39 in United States dollars in a really significant way. Torrential slide Avax value figure September 2023. The torrential slide Avax cost for September 2023 may arrive at a kind of least worth of $13.14, while the very most extreme gauge cost fundamentally is around $14.30. By and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. The exceptionally normal cost for Avax explicitly is truly anticipated to truly reach $13.65 in September 2023, and in an every practical sense, huge way. Torrential slide value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of torrential slide truly is supposed to really be at around at least $13.29 in an exceptionally significant manner. Torrential slide cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a very limit of $14.85, with the typical cost of $13.93 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the especially greatest cost for torrential slide could by and large stretch around $15.55. Besides, the minimum cost of Avax in November 2023 basically is $13.57, with a genuinely normal cost of $14.20, exhibiting how torrential slide value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the in every practical sense greatest cost for torrential slide could all things considered stretch around $15.55, which generally is very critical. Torrential slide value expectation December 2023. Torrential slide cost certainly is supposed to by and large reach between $13.85 to $16.26 in December 2023, while the in every practical sense normal cost of Avax for the December generally remains around $14.49 torrential slide sort of past value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been diminished by 1.99% in its essentially current worth, showing how torrential slide Avax value conjecture September 2023. The torrential slide Avax cost for September 2023 may sort of arrive at a kind of least worth of $13.14. While the most extreme determined cost is around $14.30, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Assuming we by and large think about the especially current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap truly is likewise down, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Torrential slide fundamentally is confronting a truly difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, which basically shows that assuming we look at the truly current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can essentially see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down in an especially huge way. The Avax fundamentally is down to nearly 3.33% in the very most recent 7 days, showing how torrential slide Avax value expectation 2023, as per the torrential slide figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost truly is supposed to sort of cross and in every way that really matters, normal value level of $14.49. The normal by and large least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to explicitly be $13.85 in a kind of enormous manner. The coin basically is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for pretty past truly couple of days. The coin could generally have in every practical sense solid essentials at the same time. We don't imagine that it would a productive resource in fundamentally present moment, showing how torrential slide value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023 the cost of torrential slide is supposed to explicitly be at around an especially least of $13.29. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Avax sort of diminished by 57.706%, disposing of an incredible kind of typical amount of $12.26 from its ongoing worth in a very large manner. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be an excellent in every practical sense purchase, a potential open door for genuinely speedy interest in an especially large manner. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 49.50%, and the cost in every practical sense circled from a really least certainly normal cost of $16.54 to truly most extreme pretty normal cost of $18.27 in the exact beyond 90 days, by and large further appearance. How this basically makes torrential slide Avax truly positioning at 23 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. Torrential slide truly is somewhere near 25.64%, with the especially greatest fundamentally normal cost of the coin truly was around $11.78, and the by and large least certainly normal cost of truly was around $11.56 in especially beyond 4 months, which in every practical sense is very huge. Torrential slide value conjecture 2023 facts. What will in a real sense be torrential slide really worth in 2023? Or so they explicitly thought. The Avax cost generally is gauged to basically arrive at a really greatest degree of $16.26, with especially least cost of $13.85, toward the finish of 2023, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Torrential slides for the most part have a future, or so they truly thought. As far as value, torrential slide sort of has a remarkable pretty potential to explicitly arrive at new levels, showing that torrential slide Avax